Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Slope fields can look intimidating, but we can solve this differential equation puzzle in seconds. Let's analyze the visual patterns to find our answer. First, look at the y-axis where x equals 0. Notice that all the slope segments are perfectly horizontal there. This means our numerator must contain an x term to make it 0. Next, check the signs of the slopes in different quadrants. Since the slopes stay positive when x is negative, the numerator must be x squared to keep the overall value positive. Vertical slopes at y equals 1 and negative 1 occur when the denominator is 0, matching the expression in option D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check your steps.